Here at 4-Star Trailers, we build aluminum horse trailers and stock trailers at this facility. We do a lot of aluminum welding. We've never had the ability to use a small push gun in an aluminum application. The Bernard gun has really been an asset for us. We use it on fixtures and tables.
We put a couple of push guns in here and they worked really well. They asked for a longer one. It worked well.
Listening to our input and then taking that to their new products that they're putting out, figuring out designs that actually help the manufacturer, I think that's paramount.
It looks like just a standard Bernard gun, but it's got some unique features that really make it work well. The key thing is the easy feed liner that we use. It causes a whole lot less friction as the wire passes through. The old standard liners would never work to feed aluminum. We use the AccuLock consumables. We utilize the old tip on the back so there's no slack between the drive rails and the inlet guide.
The new Bernard gun is a lot more durable than traditional MIG guns that we've been using.
It lasts longer. It's a more simple gun to work on.
Feedability with the wand is great. Haven't had any issues with drag. The push is great.
The new push gun is cut down on our tip usage drastically.
Tips and nozzles, I'm going through a lot less of them.
The AccuLock consumables are a quicker changeover. The other guns we've used have always been quite a bit heavier, more cumbersome to move around.
The ergonomics are great. Getting tight angles and having to weld overhead, plus working long hours. It's easy to get those hard to reach spots. It's very smooth and very easy on the wrist.
With a curvature on it, I'm able to manipulate my welds whichever direction I'm needing to go.
We've had nothing but positive reviews on the shop floor from it.
Definitely recommend it. It's a great gun to use.
Cost savings, consumables are easier to get, and long term it lasts longer and holds up better.
It's going to be an asset to your company. It's going to improve production. Your employees are going to love it. Don't sleep on it.